I just got a package. Let's do a mail time. I haven't done a mail time in forever. Let's get into it.
You know the type of guy that was a jock in high school but ended up becoming a huge nerd? You know, someone that's not afraid to make a fool of themselves on the internet. And someone that likes to shoot Polaroid a little too much. Did I say huge nerd? You know, just an ordinary, everyday guy. Well, that's me. I'm just another Chris.
So I'm recording this only a couple of days after Christmas. I haven't taken down the Christmas set and I'm a little sick. So I wanted to record this before I got really sick because I think I'm about headed that way. Welcome into Mail Time. I haven't done Mail Time in a while. I did a live stream of a Mail Time not too long ago, but I haven't had a recorded Mail Time in I don't even know when. This might be the first one of the entire year, and we're at the end of the year. And this one comes courtesy of one of my members in the Spitfire Club. Shout out to you, Dave, better known as Grumpy. Yeah, you may have seen him be grumpy in the live comments. Let's take a look and see what he has sent me. It's a big package.
That's what she said.
Sent this on over to the P.O. Box. If you want to send something to the P.O. Box, link is in the description. Ooh, what could it be? What could it be? He even requested it be opened on camera. I don't know if he meant live streamed or not, but I'm opening it this way. All right, so what we got? Just another Chris, just another box. Love it. Or should I open the package first before I read this? Oh, there's the man, the myth, the legend himself. There he is. Grumpy in all his glory. Grumpy old man with the camera. Go check him out, guys. I just read the first line. He does go through some of what's in here. I'm going to open it up first, then read this, because I kind of want it to be a little bit of a surprise. First thing, what do we got? Ooh, we got ourselves a camera. Looks like we got a Polaroid 600. Ooh, there's some film in here even, it says. I wonder how much film. Oh, wow, there's nearly a full pack. There's 7 shots still. I've actually been wanting to shoot with one of these, so I'm really excited for that. It looks like he sent a photo along with it. He actually sent one over earlier in this week, and it was another 600 camera. So now I got 2 of them. It's actually kind of funny because I was actually going to be not doing a lot of Polaroid in 2024. I was still going to do it, but I'm going to kind of switch gears and do Instax. But now he's giving me more reasons to do a couple more Polaroid videos in the new year. So this is really cool. I've actually been really wanting to shoot with one of these. I had a friend that I was visiting in California, and she had one of these, and I was surprised at the quality of pictures you got from it. I always just looked over them just because they're kind of ugly. But man, you can get some sweet photos with these, so I'm really excited to try these out. All right, next up, I think it's another camera. Oh, gee, another 600 camera with film in it. Oh, sweet, another 7 shots is in here. You got self-timer. I like the little light and darken just right here versus the other ones. They don't have that, but that's pretty cool. Oh, okay, so he gave me an example of what the exposure compensation looks like. Light and dark, there we go, more accurately. Wow, okay. It's not a massive difference. Another camera. Awesome. I haven't dove too much into the 600 camera, or this particular model, the 1-600, so I'm really excited. He said like all the models. Sweet, and a photo. Another loaded film. Another 7 shots. Dang. Wow, okay. I'm wondering if I now have all of the 1-600 type cameras. I'm gonna have to look into that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras. Wow, thank you so much, Dave. I will be doing a 1-600 camera comparison video coming soon. And he's already supplied me with some of the work. Like, he's done example shots with them, one of them with a light and darken, and he's applied me with film. Well, I'm really excited. He's done half my work for me. So once I get better, I can already tell that I'm getting sick by the minute. I'll be getting out there and making this video. It's been gloomy, it's winter, it's kind of nasty outside, so I will have to wait for a better weather to really properly test these, but I will be doing a video on it for sure. Now let's go back to the letter. I've noticed a lack of love given to the Polaroid 1-600 across the interwebs, and by yourself, self-proclaimed nerd who likes to shoot Polaroid too much, I felt like fixing that. Well, thank you so much, Dave. So I'm sending you 3 Polaroid 1-600s from my collection and one from eBay, but only one I'm not parting with. It's okay. These cameras were built in the early 2000s and the last before Polaroid went belly up. Prices range on eBay very wildly, but 10 to 15 is fair. I'm assuming he means dollars. I only buy them if I can get them cheap, 10 or less, but shipping kills it. Yeah, shipping always is rough. The one coming to you from eBay was only $8. That's a steal. But $13 in shipping. I mean, that's not bad when you could look at it. It's like, what, $21? Where can you get a $21 Polaroid camera? I mean, the cheapest one that Polaroid themselves still sells is $120, I think. So it's not bad. Let me know how the camera is when it gets there. I will. I don't normally send straight from eBay, but I figured if you do a vid on these, you need what would commonly be found out there. Waiting for the vid to sell mine off. Prices should skyrocket, lol. It's probably a reference to something I said during a live stream, because when I first got into instant photography, prices for cameras were not what they are now. I don't want to take all the blame / credit for this, but since I started this channel, I have brought a lot more awareness to the hobby and the community. People are now buying and selling their cameras again, and the prices are definitely not what they used to be. And we had a discussion about this during one of my live streams not too long ago, and where I was able to find cameras for like $5 to $10, and that being SX70 cameras, yeah, SLR type cameras. And now you can't find those for like under $100. So I think that's what he's waiting for, is to me to make my video, and then everyone wants to go buy this camera, and then he'll pop it on and make a profit. He's playing the long game here, and I respect that. Thanks for putting in your content. It helps me pass the time and learn something along the way. I know you're sour with Polaroid and going to Fuji Instax. This is true, but I think you have a little left to do one more on Polaroid. Well, yeah, I've been a little upset with Polaroid over the last few months. Partly why I'm switching over to Instax primarily. I'm not going to give up on Polaroid entirely. I will still be shooting and making Polaroid content, especially now that Dave has sent an arsenal of cameras for me to make a video on. Yeah, I've been very frustrated with them, and a lot of you have as well. There's a few content creators out there that are doing the same. Like, they're just done completely with Polaroid. They've also been pretty vocal about it. I still love to shoot the format, but I'm going to be shooting it a little bit less than I normally have been. For the last 4 years or so, that's been really the driving force of this channel and the main focus. Go look at my Instagram. It's 98% Polaroid. My content is pretty much that as well. But I'm going to be making a little bit of a switch in 2024 and doing some more Instax stuff, and kind of not leaving Polaroid behind, but just not giving as much of a platform as I have in the last couple of years. 4 years now. Wow. It's been a long time. But Dave, thank you so much for sending these cameras. I'm really excited to test them out when I'm not sick, when the weather's better. If you guys want to send something to the P.O. Box, please send me some stuff. Send me weird stuff. I want to open something weird. Send me a hate mail if you want. I don't know. But if you want to do so, there's a link in the description. No, not a link. There's an address in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, get out there. Make some art.